gonna do something different today, first time. The other day at work, this guy was telling me about a buffalo chicken dip that he makes. And he was so kind enough to give me the recipe. Hopefully I do it right. And you know, it sounds so good that I was thinking about it all day yesterday, and I should have made it when I had Mr. Charles Vogel over, because he was telling me how much he likes buffalo chicken dip, and seems to be relatively easy to do. We'll see what happens. So it says, well, obviously you need chicken. I'm going to wash this and prep it, so I'll be cutting in and out. Chunky blue cheese, dressing, 2 things of cream cheese, obviously hot sauce. I use Texas Pete. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's buffalo wing sauce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some crumbled blue cheese chunks, because I don't know what kind of chunks are in the dressing. He also said that when you're done, you can sprinkle breadcrumbs on it, but he says he's not a breadcrumb kind of guy, and I'm not a breadcrumb kind of guy. Spatula, you'll need a spatula, I guess, for mixing. You can see it, like I said, I never did this before. And he told me a thin pan. He didn't say how big. Maybe he did and I forgot. But what I'm using are, I'm gonna use a broiler pan. This is like, it's not as thick, and the cookie sheet was maybe too big, maybe, I don't know. I mean, it's an experiment, we'll see. This is 11 3/4 by 8 by inch and a quarter. So, like I said, I'm gonna wash and prep my chicken, freeze what I don't use, and I'll get back to you. Alright, we're back. This is gonna be, I guess, step 2. We washed the chicken, we seasoned the chicken, and I had to make sure my rubber chicken wasn't around. But what we did is, like I said, we rinsed it off, froze the other 2 pieces. There were 6 pieces in there. I had 4 breasts. He told me to use 4 breasts. I don't know if he had breasts on his mind as he was telling me this. I don't know what goes on in the guy's head. But we season it, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, you know, whatever. And what we're going to do is bake it at 350, or cook it at 350 in the oven for 30 minutes. There we go. The oven's ready now, so we're going to put it in and we'll check back when it's all done. You want to trim the fat off, you can trim the fat off. I'm leaving the fat on. So hopefully that adds, you know, a little bit more flavor. I'll trim it off when it's done cooking. We'll see you in 35. Well, the chicken's almost done. While it's got like 8 more minutes. So I figured in the meantime, I'll start to do the mix. And hopefully I do this right. He said use 2 things of cream cheese. He wanted to use Philadelphia cream cheese. I guess because he's from Philadelphia. I don't know. I don't know store brand. Alright, well, it's still a little too hard. I have it sitting out. I'm going to throw it in the microwave for a couple minutes. Not a minute, just a couple seconds. So I'm going to get the everything else ready here. Blue cheese. Now I have a Pete's hot sauce that's already open, so I'm going to use that. Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. Chunky blue cheese dressing. And I forgot in the beginning of the show to tell you that you need a bowl. So now I have this sitting here. What we're going to do is we're going to wait for, that's it for a couple more minutes. Wait for the chicken. When the chicken's done, get it out, cut it up, and then we'll mix everything up and put it in the pan. Alright, so the chicken is done. It's been sitting for a couple minutes. What you do is inspect it for fat. Obviously no fat. It's going in because we don't want chunks of fat. Also, what some people like to do is pull the chicken. This particular person told me to cut it in chunks. I agree with him. Chunks are better. You're not getting the stringiness. You're getting, you know, a good hunk of chicken. So I'm going to cut this up and then mix everything all together. Okay, now that that's all cut, what we're going to do now is put some blue cheese in here. I'll put some blue cheese in here. I'll go with a half a box. Like I said, I don't remember what he said. Let's see if we can take this lid out. Okay. I don't know how chunky it would be coming out of that little hole. I'll put a half a box. There's chunks in there. Half a box, swig, Captain Morgan Coke. Dude, now let's throw this chicken in. And I get more food on the floor than you can shake a stick in. Probably eat this just like it is. Hopefully get this done before the next day game comes on. Yeah, should be fine. Alright, that looks like it's pretty good. Like I said, if not, I'll let you know after it's all done. Everything seems to look like it's blended pretty good. I don't see no more chunks of cream cheese. Now, he says to add the Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. So just enough to turn it orange or red. I don't know how much to use. I don't know if you want to use. I don't know. It's going to make it hot, super hot, or not hot enough. No, now it's kicking. I wish you could smell this. Little drinks, some buffalo chicken dip. So there was about a half bottle of that I used. Maybe there was a little bit more. I think I'm going to put some more in here, folks. That's because I'm feeling a little saucy today. was saucy last night too. Let's see what we got here, folks. It's turning orange. Looks good. Smells. I can't explain. No, I can't. It smells like buffalo wings with blue cheese. Alright, everything's mixed. So what I'm gonna do now is put it in this pan. And like I said, this is a broiler pan. It's all corrugated. I don't know if you could see. I'm sure you can. But I figured I used the round chips, but if you use triangular, you could probably run it right in that crack. Put this bad boy in here. He makes a big tray, big thin tray. He makes a lot. It's pretty expensive to make. The chicken's is what costs you. I can't believe how much that was. Split this around. Heats it. We're going to heat it up oven just a little bit. Hopefully this is good. Alright. I hope. It smells delicious. It's good. Maybe I'll, somebody's sister makes buffalo chicken dip as well. That's really good too. We'll have a cook-off of some sort. Alright, here we go. We have it spread out. I'm gonna get the blue cheese. Here we got crumbled blue cheese. It's aged over some price tags on it. This is 4 ounces. Up a little bit. Let's open her up a little bit. There's the oven door. You know what? More than one way to skin a cat. Shouldn't say that because of Halloween. People get the wrong idea. Whoop. Just ashes when your dreams come true. Whoa, fire. That right, cutting board. And then I'm just gonna put some crumbled blue cheese on this bad boy. Just because I don't think the chunks were as big. I knew that was gonna happen. He said some people like to put breadcrumbs on top. They're not breadcrumby people, just crummy. There's some little pieces in there, some big pieces. This is getting all over the place. Make sure your work area is clean. I don't know how much is too much, because there can never be enough blue cheese. I probably used about half of it. Okay, so like I said, there's a 4 ounce, we used half. So if my math is correct, there should be tube left. There's that. That is on. And then he said to spritz a little bit more buffalo wing sauce. Alright, I'm doing this lefty because my hands. Whoopsie. Alright, well, that's enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the oven back up. I don't know what that is. So, alright, this is going to take 5 minutes. I should show you what this looks like. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know what it looks like. But it smells delicious. So I'm going to let this warm up. Throw it in the oven for a couple minutes. Pull it out. We'll see what happens. Alright, we're going to shut this oven off. Put it in for at 425 for 10 minutes. Just hopefully the blue cheese softens up a little bit. Those chunks starting to bubble up a little bit, which is nice. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Put this right here. I don't even know if that's a good idea. Yeah, we should be fine. We'll put it on the stove. So there we have that. We'll leave this open. Bubbling up. Looks like it's a little crusty, which is nice. Next thing you gotta do is just grab a leftover from the night before. There's a little hair of the dog. Cook time was probably, I'm going to tell you, it was 3 16-ounce Captain Cokes. Prep time and cook time probably in real life was probably about an hour and 5 minutes, I guess. I wasn't really paying attention to the clock, but you gotta cook the chicken 35-40 minutes, and then that, like I said, was 10 minutes or so. Alright, well, here we go. We're gonna give this a whirl. I don't know if you can see it, how well it shows up. But I don't know where to go. We got the rounds. Oh, it's too hot. That is fucking delicious. Alright, well, nothing to do outside. We got about 6 inches. It's October 29th, 2011, and yes, there is snow outside. We got about 6 inches here in Hatboro. So now it's just going to be lay around and snack day. Hope you all like it. I'll tell you, this is really, really good. I have a feeling this is going to be gone, so there won't be none taken to work on Monday. Alright, take care.